The Star Spangled Banner performed by Stephanie Williams.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets like bombs bursting in the cave proof through the night that our flag was sailing. Oh, sailors, that star-spangled banner yet wave.